guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this paint by line reindeer. I'm going to go in first and base coat my reindeer in the color Pine Cone. Next I'll go in with Barn Red for his nose. Following that with Soft Pink for the inside of his ears. And then I'll go in with Putty for his antlers. Once I'm done base coating those, I'm going to begin to outline everything using a number 4 round and just some black paint. Once I'm done with my black paint, I will use that same number 4 round and some white paint. I'll be using Cotton, which is Dixie Belle's whitest and brightest white, and I'll use that to highlight everything to soften and brighten it up. And then that will complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.